What's up and welcome back? It's TFTest channel. Today I'm unboxing the Meizu 16S Pro. It's the emerald green edition. I like this color, so it's a special unboxing. Okay, let's look the box front side. Box front side is a Meizu 16S Pro name is mentioned. On the box back side, there's some main specifications is mentioned. And it is Snapdragon 855 Plus, triple camera setup, and in-display fingerprint scanner, and mostly main is the Snapdragon 855 Plus processor. Okay, look everything inside the video. Don't waste your time. Let's open the box first. Okay, let's open. Wow, itself the box front side mobile phone here. I'm already unboxed it. Just I'm sure. Okay, this color is looking so amazing. AC adapter and type C cable. Okay, then finally, yeah, sim ejecting pin. Yeah, it's a sim ejecting tool, and some paperwork is missing. Okay, some paperwork here, but no free case include this box. Yep, let's look the phone. Wow, I really like this color, emerald green. It's looking really amazing. I like this color so especially by this variant. It's looking so amazing, and phone fully covered this green color. The back is glass. The green color is looking amazing. Let's look the phone side by side. Display is a 6.2 inches Full HD plus resolution Super AMOLED display. Also, you know the Samsung Super AMOLED display is really good and amazing because colors is very punchy. Its outdoor looking is really best viewing angle for ever. At the phone top and bottom is a processor is very slim. Main this phone no notch phone. Yes, the top and bottom is a very small processor here. On the top processor is inside 20 megapixel front facing camera here. It support Full HD plus resolution 30 fps per second. Let's look the phone backside. Backside is a triple camera setup here. Main camera is a 48 megapixel f1.7. Second 20 megapixel telephoto lens 2.8. Last one is a 60 megapixel 2.2 ultra wide angle camera here. Mostly I really like this color. Yeah, emerald green color is really amazing. What do you think, guys? Do you like this emerald green color? Comment now. Okay, this phone running on Android 9 built in Flyme 8.0 build. It's cool. This phone processor is a Snapdragon 855 Plus latest processor. This processor support every games, every application, any video is rendering is really fasting now. Also, the PUBG is maximal level settings. You play very smooth, no any lags. It's really good. Let's watch the gaming review.
看这个还是一个弹幕的形式出现，我觉得这个就蛮有意思的哈。我们现在先不管那些，都对准了，都对准，焦在我这边，让大家看得清楚一点。而且这个手机玩游戏玩起来真的很轻。哇，为什么我要使用这种原始的工具呢？哎呀，我错了！去找队友了！哎呀，我错了！看，我能够看得到，哎，这个上面，之后这个哥， 哎，这个是机器人，我最大砍到看出了。呀！两个机器人，这有点打不过呀！哎，这里有一个人死了。哎，没子弹！我这一把是怎么回事？哎呀，我的妈！天无绝人之路啊！这天要亡我！哇耶！哎，给我减把枪，哥！给我减把枪！哇！天要亡我！真不会吧？好吧的小伙伴，那听声辨位啊，双扬升起，感觉是在我的右侧。吓人呢！好，看一下掉电多少啊？一格微掉啊，骁龙855 Plus， 这个功耗还是可以的。OK， 现在已经玩了2分钟了，看一下耗电，85%，才耗了1格电，还是不错。
前方有危险！
哪儿有危险？别怕了，往前面冲！好，我们现在来量一下温度啊，我们已经连续玩这个，玩了将近快半个小时了。我们来量一下温度。首先看到屏幕的正面是这么一个温度，大家看啊，屏幕的下部是这么一个温度。那在屏幕的后面再看一下，温度控制的还可以啊，而且我觉得这个白色的面板确实蛮好看的，也是现在目前唯一差不多的一个白色面板的手机了。来看一下这个温度哈。OK， 这个就是魅族16S Pro 的一个简单体验。3摄，更好的拍照体验，更好的屏幕，更快的指纹 ，NFC 同样具备，而且差不多是加量不加价的一个售价，你会喜欢吗？同样的手感，记得持续关注我们哈。那么就送一个抽送一个送这个魅族 HiFi 解码耳放，85%一格电没耗，耗了1格电啊！咱们下期见，拜拜。
What do you think, guys? I really like this device because it's amazing price. The price is the 26,000 Indian rupees and 2599 yuan in Chinese price. Compared to Redmi K20 Pro, it's the same price, and the two phones are same notchless display. But Redmi K20 Pro is a pop-up camera, it's latest generation, but it's water failure. Otherwise, Meizu is good. Also, the two phones same price, but the processor is a Snapdragon 855 Plus in K20 Pro is 855 Plus. Also, same variants available, and everything is same mostly. My opinion, Redmi K20 Pro or Meizu 16S Pro. Yeah, Meizu 16S Pro is the best for ever, my opinion, because latest processor, quad camera setup, in-display fingerprint scanner, and everything is good.